Good afternoon, Barlby School. It's time for our virtual singing assembly, and we're going to carry on with our Barlby Values song that we started to learn last week. So I hope you've been practicing. Let's have a sing through of the section that we learnt last week, and then we'll move on to the next section. Respect, determination and creativity. Determined people, they are always learning people. They go far in all they do. They really like to sing it too. Are you respectful? Are you creative? Are you determined? Are you respectful? Are you creative? Are you determined? Well done. We're going to move on to the next new section now. So it goes quite high, the notes are quite high pitched, so make sure you are sitting in a good posture. Remember that imaginary string at the top of your head holding you up to the ceiling, and remember to take lots of big, deep breaths and pronounce all of the words very clearly, and that will help you with those high notes. So have a listen and you can copy back. On its own, determination won't get you that far. Add respect and creativity and you're a star. Three values that belong together, they bring out the best. At Barlby School we'd like to share with you this special test. So let's break that down one line at a time. On its own, determination won't get you that far. On its own, determination won't get you that far. My turn. Add respect and creativity and you're a star. Your turn. Add respect and creativity and you're a star. My turn. This is the high bit. Get ready. Three values that belong together, they bring out the best. Your turn. Three values that belong together, they bring out the best. My turn. At Barlby School we'd like to share with you this special test. Your turn. At Barlby School we'd like to share with you this special test. And the test is back to the chorus. Are you respectful? Are you creative? Are you determined? Are you respectful? Are you creative? Are you determined? Respectful, creative, determined people, they are always learning people. They go far in all they do. They really like to sing it too. Are you respectful? Are you creative? Are you determined? Are you respectful? Are you creative? Are you determined? Go back, have a sing a few times and get used to the song so that we can learn the next section, which is the last part of our song, next week. Good luck, Barlby. Please send in some recordings. I'd love to hear you singing. I miss your voices. Bye.